Question 11. 1 factor of 7s squared plus 33s minus 10 is dash. So to get that factor, you simply factorize. So you have 7s squared plus 33s minus 10. By the rule of factorizing, you need to get AC. A is 7, B is 33, C is minus 10. So AC is minus 70. So you look for two factors of 70, that the sum is 33 and the product is minus 70. Such factors must be 35 and minus 2. So you write 35 and minus 2 in terms of s to replace the middle term in this form. The purpose is to have 4 terms that are grouped. The first 2 terms first group, the last 2 terms second group. Ensure that you use a plus sign to separate the 2 groups. From the first group, 7s is common and you have s plus 5 in the bracket. From the second group, you factor out minus 2 and you have s plus 5. Clearly, s plus 5 is common. If you take out s plus 5, you have 7s here minus 2 that will form the other bracket. So C is the 1 factor, which is the correct option. Question 12. Solve minus 1 over 4 less than 3 over 4 bracket open 3s minus 2 bracket close less than 1 over 2. You cannot obtain a direct solution here. You need to break the inequality into 2 parts. The middle term is the link between the first and third term. So the first and second term will form one equation, one inequality. Then the second and the third term the same thing. But before then, let's try and clear the fractions. So multiply through by 4 to clear fractions. So you have minus 1 less than 3 bracket open 3s minus 2 bracket close. If you multiply this term by 4, if 4 divide this 2, you have 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1, you have 2. So we have to split it. First term and second term, then second term and third term. So you open the bracket and solve the 2 inequalities. So the first one, you have minus 1 less than, you have 9s minus 6s and 9s minus 6s less than 2. If you collect like terms, you have minus 1 plus 6 less than minus 1. Okay, minus 1, if you transfer minus 6, it becomes plus 6, then less than 9s. And if you transfer minus 6 here, you have 9s less than 2 plus 6. If you add, you have 5 less than 9s and 9s less than 8. Divide through by 9 in both cases. You have 5 over 9 less than s and s is less than 8 over 9. What you do again is to combine the solution set. If you combine them, you have 5 over 9 less than s less than 8 over 9. A is the correct option. Question 13. Simplify 3s minus bracket open p minus s bracket close minus bracket open arrow minus p bracket close. So this is the problem. Take it that this is minus 1 and here is minus 1, so that for us to open the bracket easily. So you have 3s minus 1 times p minus p minus 1 times minus s, you have plus s, minus 1 times arrow minus arrow, minus 1 times minus p, you have plus p, minus p plus p is 0. Now 3s plus s is 4s, and you have minus arrow left. So you have 4s minus arrow. C is the correct option. Question 14. An arc of a circle 7.5 centimeter is of radius 7.5 cm is 7.5 cm long. Find, correct to the nearest degree, the angle which the arc subtends at the center of the circle. Take pi as 22/7. The long there means the length. So length of an arc is equal to theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi arrow. You are asked to find theta. So the length of the arc 7.5 equal to theta over 360 times 2 times pi, 22/7 times radius 7.5. So let's clear the fractions by multiplying through by 7. Everything here is 1/10. So this 7 will simply multiply the left hand side. The same thing with 360. So you have 7.5 times 360 times 7. You've cleared the fractions, equal to theta times 2 times 22 times 7.5. To get theta, divide both sides by this term. So you have theta equal to the left hand side divided by 2 times 22 times 7.5. If you reduce, you get this. If you multiply, you get this. If you divide, you get 57.2727. To the nearest degree, we consider 57. The next number is not up to 5. Round it down to 0, so you have 57 degrees. B is the correct option. Question 15. Water flows out of a pipe at the rate of 40 pi cube centimeters per second into an empty cylindrical container of base radius 4 centimeters. Find the height of water in the container after 4 seconds. So we use the volume of cylinder to get the height because of what we are given here. The given unit is volume. So the volume is 40 pi square centimeters equal to pi times radius is 4 and the height is unknown. Divide through by pi. Since pi is common to both sides, you have 40 equal to 16 times the height. So to get height, divide both sides by 16. So height is equal to 40 over 16, and that is 2.5 centimeters per second. So after 4 seconds, the height is 2.5 times 4 after 4 seconds, and that is 10 centimeters. A is the correct option. Question 16. The dimensions of a water tank are 13 cm, 10 cm, and 70 cm. If it is half filled with water, calculate the volume of water in liters. The given dimension indicates that the tank must be a cuboid, must be in cuboid form. So volume of cuboid is equal to length times breadth times height. That is 10, 13 times 10 times 70, and you have 9,100 cube centimeter. Now, since it is half filled with water, the volume becomes what we have here divided by 2. So you divide 9100 by 2, and that is 4,550. To express this in liters, you divide it by 1000. Divide by 1000, you have 4.55 liters. A is the correct option. Question 17. If the total surface area of a solid hemisphere is equal to its volume, find the radius. For a hemisphere, total surface area is 3 pi r squared, and the volume is 2 over 3 pi r cube. Since both are equal, you have 2 pi r squared equal to 2 over 3 pi r cube. You can divide through by pi r square. If you do that, you have 3 equal to 2 over 3 radius. To get radius, first multiply through by 3, and you have 3 times 3 equal to 2 radius. Divide both sides by 2, you have 3 times 3 divided by 2, that is 9 over 2, and you have 4.5 centimeters. B is the correct option. Question 18. Which of the following is true about parallelogram? Opposite angles are equal. C is the correct option. Question 19. The diagram shows a circle center O. If angle STRO is 29 degrees and angle RST 46 degrees, calculate the value of angle STO. That is, you have STO. So from this, we can close this place in order for us to have a triangle. So we are interested in the whole of this angle. So once we get this angle, we get this angle. From there, we can look for STO. As I said earlier, that part has been closed. So let's get ROT. That is this angle, and that angle is angle at center. Now, angle at center, angle ROT, is equal to angle RST. That is this angle. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. For that, angle ROT is 2 times 46 degrees equal to 92 degrees. We can also get this angle is also angle at center, and is twice this angle at circumference. So angle SOR is equal to 2 times angle STR. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. So angle SOR is equal to 29. That is 2 times 29 degrees, and that is 58 degrees. Now, angle STO is equal to angle SOR plus angle RST. That is 58 degrees plus 92 degrees equal to 150 degrees. Now, look at triangle STO. OT is a radius, OS is a radius. That means the triangle is isosceles with base angles equal. So we have STO here equal to OST. They are equal, so base angle. So if you add the three angles in triangle STO, you have angle STO plus angle OST plus angle 150 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Since we are interested in STO, let's represent this with STO. If you add both, you have 2 STO equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, and that is 30 degrees. To get STO, divide both sides by 2. So angle STO is equal to 30 degrees divided by 2, and that is 15 degrees. B is the correct option. Question 20. In the diagram, SY is a straight line. Angle POS is equal to angle POQ, and angle ROY is equal to angle QOR. Find the value of angle POQ plus angle ROY. From the problem, POS, that is this angle, is equal to POQ, this angle. Hence, use the same letter AA. They are equal. Then ROY, this angle, is equal to QOR, this angle. We use letter B to represent them. When you add the four angles, their sum is 180. Sum of angles on a straight line. So A plus A is 2A plus B 2B equal to 180. Can factor out 2 from here. And what is A? A is equal to angle POQ. B is equal to angle ROY equal to 180. Divide through by 2. The sum of angle POQ and ROY is equal to 90 degrees. B is the correct option. Pythagoras simplified maths. If you are viewing and watching from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, like and share PSM videos. If you are viewing from Facebook, follow and like the page. Also share PSM videos.